plaque is a sticky, soft film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth, dental fillings, gums, tongue, and dentures. Maintaining dental hygiene is key to preventing plaque and tartar buildup. You should brush your teeth and your tongue as well. In addition to regular dental hygiene, you can use some natural remedies to remove plaque and tartar. Cut an aloe vera leaf and extract the pulp. Rub the pulp directly on your teeth and gum line. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Use this remedy twice daily. Aloe vera is effective at dealing with gum disease caused by plaque and tartar. Being an antimicrobial, it kills the bacteria that cause plaque buildup. Plus, it fights bad breath. Aloe vera demonstrates a similar effect on plaque, compared with the benchmark control chlorhexidine mouthwash. Aloe vera is an effective and healthy solution to whiten teeth, which simply requires the gel from the plant, which you can apply every day each time you brush your teeth. Take a little amount of toothpaste, put a small amount of baking soda in it, and add little neem juice. Mix all the ingredients, and brush your teeth with it. Then, rinse your mouth and teeth thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once in a week. Baking soda paste or powder can more efficiently remove plaque than non-baking soda products. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Dip a dampened toothbrush in the mixture. Brush your teeth with this powder gently. But, do not use baking soda in excess as it may damage the tooth enamel over time. Apart from this natural remedies, limit your consumption of processed foods that contain sugar and starch. Oral bacteria thrive on sugary foods. Get your teeth and gums professionally cleaned at least once a year. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.